Jesus fucking Christ.
Ah, please. Loud noise is a little much right now. It's really not as bad as it looks. Just gotta rest.
What is...
Casey.
Oh my god. Please don't tell me you put her in a fucking tomato can.
I'm sorry I didn't have the time to pick out an urn. I was in a morgue getting shot at by hillbillies.
All over the news.
Yeah, I got a TV. I'm aware.
What the fuck were you thinking?
I wasn't really thinking. Just kind of doing, you know? She wanted her ashes spread somewhere sunny.
No. No.
Ocean City would do.
James, I can't.
You don't need to agree with what I did. You don't need to understand it. But I did it. And now, I have to deal with the consequences that are coming for me.
But I won't do it. You killed all these people. Why would I do anything for you?
Because you're here right now. And because it's not for me. It's for her.
Wait. So you mean to tell me you killed all those people for her too?
No, what? No,
You think Cassie would have wanted you to do this just to retrieve some fucking ashes? For Christ's sake, look at you, James. You mean to tell me this was all for her?
It was for me! I couldn't live with myself knowing that they just got to get away with it. That her body was in a ditch in the middle of bumfuck nowhere. What kind of brother would I be?
So? What does it matter what kind of brother you are? The man you've become.
I am very fucking aware.
Jesus.
God damn it, Chloe. I know everything you're gonna say to me. I know all the things I did and how wrong they were. And how it was the complete opposite path of what she would have wanted from me. But it was all I had. All I had left. Not just of her, but whatever the life I had before this was. I can't let this all have been for nothing. All those fuckers I killed deserved it. She didn't. She didn't deserve what happened to her. She certainly didn't deserve to be in a goddamn tomato can. But that's what happened.
You had me, James. I was here, and you just...
I know. I pushed you away. I pushed everyone away. I let the worst parts of me take over. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Take her. Please. Remember, somewhere sunny.